Hi guys, so today we're going to do a short tutorial on how to use Insaf Academy as a teacher and how you can access this platform and use the different features that it has to provide learning content for your students, right? So in order to set up your account, you're going to visit insafacademy.pctb.pk, or you can also download the app through Google Play or the Apple App Store, right? So if you want to register, you have to click this button over here, start learning today. Then we have these three options. You can register as a student, as a teacher, and as a parent. So we're going to go ahead with teacher. We're going to select next. We're going to put in our full name. We're going to put in our email. Then we need to put in our password. And then we have to click next. Make sure your password is 8 characters long at least. Then you need to put in your CNIC. You need to select your gender and then hit next. After that, you need to select your country, you need to select your province, your city, the school that you teach at, and the grade that you teach. Hit next. Right. So once you're signed in as a teacher, let's see what different features that you have. First, we have this dashboard over here. As you can see, it tells us all the information that is relevant to us as a teacher. It tells you the total students that are available in your class, the total assessments that have been created by you as a teacher, the total virtual classes that you have created, and the overall class-wise enrollment status. Now, in order to create a virtual class, you need to go over here, click this button over here, create virtual class. Now, it gives you two types. You can either make your class public or you can set it to private. Now let's see what happens if we go for a public class. You can select the number of students that you want there to be in your class. You need to put in the title of your class. Let's say we have an introductory session. We need to put in a description, just giving out a basic introduction of biology. You need to select the grade for which this class is being made, the subject, and then you hit create virtual class. You see, now this class has been created for you. You can go ahead in your virtual classes section. You can see that this virtual class session has been created. It's public right now and it has the capacity of almost 50 students. You can also copy this URL and share it in any platform, any WhatsApp group, so that students from different platforms can use this link to enter your class. You can check the details. You can also create assessments for this particular session. Again, you need to put in the title, you need to add in some description, you need to set the difficulty level of this assessment. You can set the duration. You have the option of setting the number of questions that are going to be in this assessment session, what is going to be the passing percentage, and then you need to hit the assessment button. So now your assessment has also been created, so students can not only join the class, they can take this assessment that you've created and they can also hold a discussion session with you as well as other students. Then we have the subjects panel over here. Teachers can see the different subjects that are being offered as part of your course. Okay, so here we have biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and computer science. There are total 5 science subjects that Insaf Academy offers to its students. You can change grades from up here as well. Then we have the notification panels. Over here you will receive any notification about any activity that is going around on your virtual classes, any assessments that your students are submitting in, you will receive each and every notification over here. Any invitations that are accepted by students, they all appear on this notifications panel. Let's go ahead and browse some subjects now. Right, let's browse bio. So over here you can see all the chapters that we have in biology 10th grade. You can open up any individual chapter, you can go through the different topics, you can play the videos, and you can see what is happening in the discussion board. Any queries that might be posted here by students, you can answer them, solve queries, solve any questions that they might have. So now finally, if we head over to the settings bar, you can see that you have the ability to edit your information as well as update your passwords. Right, so this was Insaf Academy portal for you as a teacher. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. Thank you.